Hey guys, back here out here on day 3 of this pool demo. We got our pre-demo inspection passed, so now it's time to start taking it down. So I'm going to set you up and do a little time lapse. So, not sure how much of this you guys caught because I got distracted listening to the Rangers game, today's opening day. So I was just working away and listening to the game and not paying any attention. But as you can see, the entire pool is gone. Looks like quite a bit of a mess, but I'll get all this straightened out tomorrow. Pool's gone, all busted up. Patio is all busted up. The only thing I have left is this little patio section here, those bushes, that big bush, and then this little retaining wall. And it'll take probably an hour or two in the morning, and then we'll start hauling in material and filling this thing back up. Got those big let me show you these guys. These big rocks around here. These guys, I'm gonna try not to scratch them up. We'll strap them up and put them over here, maybe out of the way. But yeah, that's into day 3. It looks like a big old mess. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow.